Well, I just wanted to make a short video to help people out, and maybe you live in California or some other, less than free state. I got right here. This is a true 10 round hex mag, 1030. Alright, so what we're gonna do, get that open. These newer ones have a pin right there, which is dumb. So, because we live in America and not North Korea or whatever, and we're allowed to buy drills. I need this drill bit, this whatever. So now we got a hole. Okay. So now with that hole, we can push down on the orange. And we can slide that little booger off of there. Oh goodness, it's shaky. Alright, so here is the problem. You got a 10 round spring. You got this dumb little spacer on here. We want to keep this part. It's going to be important, obviously. And we want to keep our follower. So we're going to take this off of here. Easy as pie. So that's what we got left. We got this piece of junk right there that's good for nothing. Here you can go on midway.com. There's a few websites, I'm sure. There's a pack of 10 30 round replacement springs for a mil spec standard capacity ar15 magazine. Here's the difference. You got your 10 rounder here with this dumb spacer, and you got your 30 rounder here. So, as you all know, on this one end, it's got this little clip. And that just goes right in there, just like that. That's good enough. On the other end, you gotta feed it through and loop it over. So then you can slide this right back in there. All the way down. And shove that in there. I was looking for my bag. There it is. Alright, that's in there. Shove that in there. Now, this is a 30 round magazine. There's 10. There's 20. Green tip 556 and a bleak 2. I just keep going into this 10-round magazine. That is, it's getting close. Huh? I think that was 30. We can put our other sisters here for now. Got, we got, you know, at least one more to do here. Because I don't live in communist China. So what I got here is my California compliant, featureless Mossberg MMR. And what you can do with that, featureless, you can pop your 30-round magazine in there. You still get your bolt release. So it works the way God intended it to. You know, or if you don't have a California compliant rifle, you know, grab whatever you got. Throw it in this bad boy right here. You know, mag release because it's America. I hope this taught somebody something.